In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an application using Power Automate Desktop. This process is straightforward, and by the end of our time together, you'll be well equipped to automate this task seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, we need to add the appropriate action within the Power Automate Desktop Designer. In the Actions pane, you'll want to search for the Run application action. Once you locate it, simply drag and drop this action onto the main canvas. The main canvas is where you'll build and visualize your flow, making it easy to see how each part connects. With your action now neatly placed on the canvas, we can configure it to suit your needs. The first thing you'll enter is the application path. This refers to the full path where your application's executable file is stored. For example, it might look something like C program files /myapp.exe. This tells Power Automate exactly which application you want to open. If your application requires any command line arguments to run, these are additional instructions the application might need. You'll enter those in the Command Line Arguments section. For many applications, you can leave this blank unless you have specific instructions required for your application to start correctly. Next, you'll want to consider the working folder. This is the folder from which the application should run, and while it often defaults correctly, there may be times when specifying a different folder is important for your task. Now, onto window style. This setting determines how the application window will appear when launched. You have 4 options here: normal, minimized, maximized, or hidden. If you want the application to open as if you were launching it manually, normal is a solid choice. Minimizing or hiding the window might be useful if you don't need to interact with the application immediately. Conversely, maximizing the window brings it to the forefront right away. Next, decide what Power Automate should do after launching the application. You can choose to continue immediately, which means the flow will move to the next step without waiting. Alternatively, you can select to wait for the application to fully load or wait until it completes a specific task before moving on. With those configurations set, it's time to save and run your flow. Clicking Save ensures your changes are stored, and clicking Run will execute your flow and open the application with the settings you've just configured. And there you have it. Opening an application through Power Automate Desktop is a simple yet powerful task that can save you time and streamline various processes. With this newly acquired skill, you're ready to tackle a wide array of automation challenges. Thanks for joining me today, and happy automating.